Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about functions in JavaScript. So in our previous video we have learned about variables, and now we are going to learn about functions. So let's get started. So in order to learn function, you have to learn there are two types of function in JavaScript. One is function declaration, just like this function declaration. This is function declaration, and one is another is function expression, which is looks like a variable type but it is not. So let's suppose you have this function. We will learn more about these two in upcoming videos in ES6 series. So not I'm not going to talk I'm not going to talk about this in this tutorial. So we are going to stick with the uh, function declaration here. So in function what we can do is, let's suppose we are taking we want to add two numbers using function. So in this function, let's suppose I want to return uh, x plus y, but how can we get these x and y values here? So in order to get these two values, you have to pass two arguments in this function, just like this. Okay, so now in order to give a value to x and y, we have to call this function. Just type the name of this function, and in this parentheses just pass the value like 10 and 20 and just run it. And I forgot to console log this, so we cannot see anything in here. So let's just console log function and 10 and 20. So what we get, what we are getting here is 30. So this is what we expected. So this is how function works. And if we sum some other numbers, let's suppose 50 and 30, we don't have to change anything inside this function, just change the passing value and it will give a unique output. So this is all about function, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.